Among the latest changes in FastHTML, I have selected a stabilizing bug fix and a very new meta feature you probably want to use very soon. Here are some news on FastHTML as of December 25. The bug is a stabilizing fix that removes one annoyance, but the new meta features that are silently introduced provides us with SAAS ambitions, with a meta tool that will increase our chance of being seen. Let's get right into it. This bug is something I haven't seen and not been affected by myself, but if you are learning FastHTML or using the HTML to FH function in test scripts or likewise, you might have been affected. If you make a web page displaying two strings, one with HTML and one with the HTML to FT of that HTML. This is what it looks like using an older version of 0.12.19. And here is a version 0.12.34. Can you spot the difference? It is small, but significant. We are missing 2 spaces when running older versions than 0.12.34. This swallowing of whitespace could trigger a unit test or some other comparison made automatically. As of December 25, this annoyance is fixed, and we developers can move on with more stable platform. Want a regular inspiration to your FastHTML projects? Do subscribe for my updates. Next up, we have 3 more features all in one. They are all providing metadata for optimizing the visibility of your site. First, let's start off with a small page running on the latest version of 0.12.34. Then we add a call to the new function SiteMap XML. Then we can look in our browser at /sitemap.xml. Not that easy to read, so let's use curl to read this instead. And here we can see that the body contains a URL set with a scheme and some URL locations containing the addresses we defined in the sitemap call, LD data. It can be used from anything from contact information to course information for course builders and more. In this example, I have made a contact sheet for my quiz SAAS. Notice that ld.org returns a script. That script is included in the headers of my app. So to see this information, we need to parse the headers of the get, returning the page. And here we see a formatted printout of these scripts in the header. Organization, name, URL, other contacts, and a pointer to my support email. Now, LD data is a generic tool to provide information. LD.org is just one type of such information. What information would you want to provide in this extra way? Now the third piece of metadata is a way to try to control web scraping, and it's called robots.txt. The new function robots robots_txt adds a new route to our application with instructions to web crawlers. You can choose 3 ways here. Allow everything, block specific paths, or block it all. In my example here, I have gone the middle way, disallowing access to the /admin and /API paths. I've also set a crawl delay of 3 seconds per call. And this is what it looks like in a browser. And using curl, it's a bit easier to read it. So, there we have it. SiteMap, LD-Data and robots.txt. 3 ways to control SEO or search engine optimization by providing meta information and instructions for web crawlers about your site. The FastHTML December 25 update is here, delivering a much bigger toolkit for building SEO with a more stable platform. Now, I'd like to hear from you. How do we optimize SEO using these tools? I'm no expert in that field, and if you are, please share how to use it. And if you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date on everything happening in the FastHTML world. Thanks for watching in 25 and a happy Coding 26 to all.